This is tab 1 of subprogram 5. It is used to select the first box. You need to select the first box, then select the second box, and if the two are equal, then they're realized. This is the selection of the first box. This is its routine. First, it sets the control register T for tall, W for wide, and the X and Y position, just as if it were making a rectangle, but it's not really going to draw a rectangle. Instead, it's going to use it for the box R command, which is this rectangular box is clickable. And it's going to assign the value of 2 to the active click number if the box is clicked. Well, this box is the entire area of all the boxes. In other words, this entire area that contains all 20 of these boxes is said to be a clickable area. We go back to the program. Well, it says, with a click command, if the click is not a 2, go to CG. CG is home. In other words, they clicked someplace else. They didn't click any of the 20 box areas. So it just goes home. There's nothing to do. However, if they did click somewhere in the 20 box area, it does a mat instruction. When you give the mat instruction a number of columns, in this case 5, and a number of rows 4, it will give you an index value of which of those areas was clicked. Let me explain further. We'll go back to the screen. First, we only know that they clicked somewhere in this big box where all 20 are. But now that we told it that there are 5 columns and 4 rows, and since they're all equal in size, it's going to give us an index number for which one. Index number of the first one is 0. Then as we go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it drops down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's going to give us that index value. We go back to the program. So down here where it said mat I, that I is going to be 0 to 19. It'll be unique. It'll be which box did they actually click on. Then we want to know if that box was already realized, which means it has a value greater than 0. They really shouldn't have clicked on a box that already had a bird in it. So if box show sub I is not equal to 0, we have to leave there because it already has a picture. So we go to CG, which means we go home again. Alright? If it hasn't been realized yet, we're going to set some values to its position. The first index will set to I. The first picture will set to the picture of the ith bird. And then we'll say that box show sub I is equal to that first picture number. And we're doing that so that it will be displayed the next time it displays the boxes and birds. It hasn't been realized, but we're going to tell it it's okay to display it. The next thing it does, it says it's going to set the state to 2, meaning we have one bird already found. Now find the match to that bird. That is state number 2.